smart people, Mr. H here. Today is Thursday, February 3rd, 2022. We're going to go over Quizette 3 and Transformation Project. The instruction for Transformation Projects is on Google Classroom under week 4. We will work on that after the Quizette. Alright, Quizette number 3. Sorry, here we go. Problem 1. A phone company offers 2 monthly plans. Plan A costs $15. Plan A costs $15 plus additional 77 cents for each minute of call. And Plan B costs $9 plus additional 9 cents for each minute of call. So the question is at which minutes that both plans cost the same. Okay, so first we're going to write an equation for each plan. So plan A, we're going to base on the formula y equals to mx plus b. Okay, and plan A costs $15 plus additional 7 cents for each minute of call. As we know that each, per, and every tell you the pattern, so which is the slope. M is 0.07. Y equal to 0.07 x plus B is initial fee or one-time fee, which is $15. Okay, then plan B costs $9 plus 0.09 or 9 cents for each minute of call. So M is 0.09. Y equal to 0.09 x plus 9. Alright, for 2 plans cost the same, you're going to do is set 2 equations equal to each other. So you're going to plug this equation or expression in place of y. You will have 0.07x plus 15 equal to 0.09x plus 9. Okay, there's no bar on top of 9. There was a mistake right there. It's just 0.09. Alright, how do you solve for x? Okay, so since we have the variable on both sides, we have 0.07 and 0.09x on both sides, so we're going to move one of them to the other side. We will subtract 0.07x on both sides. That will give you 15 equal to 0.02x plus 9. It's really common mistake. Some of us may put 0.2, but it's 0.02. Is 2 cents. 9 cents take away 7 cents is 2 cents. So 2 out of 100. 0.02. Continue solving for x. You're going to subtract 9 on both sides. That will give you 6 equal to 0.02x. Continue solving for x. You're going to divide 0.02 on both sides. Okay. So I don't have a calculator, so here's my trick. You're going to move the decimal point 2 places over, and then you're going to add 2 zeros on top. So what we did here is multiply top and bottom by 100. So you're going to have 600 divided by 2, which obviously is going to be 300, equal to x. Alright, that's it, right? X equal to 300. As usual, I will ask you what 300? 300 of what? What does it mean? So that is 300 minutes. Okay. So at 300 minutes, both plans will cost the same. Okay. Alright, that's it for problem number 1. Problem 2. A party rental company has chairs and tables for rent. The total cost to rent 3 chairs and 8 tables is $55. The total cost to rent 5 chairs and 2 tables is $18. What is the cost to rent each chair and each table. Alright, so the setup of the problem is kind of straightforward. A party rental company had chair and table, so we're going to put X represent the cost of the chair and Y represent the cost of the table. The total cost to rent 3 chairs, so 3X plus 8Y is equal 55. Okay, and the second one, the total cost to rent 5 chairs, 5X plus 2 tables, 2Y is 18. That's it. We just set up the equation. Now we're going to solve for the system. So you're going to pick the variable to cancel out. You can choose either X or Y. In this case, I will choose Y. It's easier. You may ask why it is easier. It's easier because you have 8 is the coefficient and 2 is a coefficient. To turn 2 into 8, you're going to multiply the second equation by 4. Right? We're going to distribute it. You will have 4 times 5x is 20x. 4 times 2 is 8y. And 4 times 18, 32. Remember 3, 72. Then we bring over the first equation. 3x plus 8y equal to 55. Now if we add two equations right now, y won't cancel each other out because they both are positive. That will turn 16. So what we're going to do is multiply the whole equation by -1. So that will change the sign to a negative, -20, -8y, and -72. Okay. Again, we multiply the whole equation by -1. So 3x minus 20x, that will be -17x. 8y minus 8y cancel each other out. 55 minus 72, that will give you 17. Yes, -17. Alright, then we divide both sides by -17. You will have x equal to 1. That's it. Right? So what does it mean? One what? 1 chairs, 1 table. The answer is X represent chairs, but not just the chair. If you pay attention, I say the cost of chairs. So this is $1 to rent a chair. $1 to rent a chair. So we're going to plug it back into one of the original equations to solve for y. So 3x plus 8y equal to 55. And we know our x is 1, which means 3 times 1 plus 8y equal to 55. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 8y equal to 55. We minus 3 on both sides. 8y equal to 52. And then we divide 8 on both sides. Y equal to 52 does not go into 8 exactly. So we have 52. Oh, actually I can reduce it by 2 first to see how far can I go with this. That would be 26 over 4. 26 over 4. 6 times 4, 5, 6. 6 times 4, 24. So 6.24. So we have 2 left over. That will be 1/2, 6.5. Okay, so that will be $6.50 to rent a table. Okay, that's it for number 2. Sorry, you don't have to do the reduction here because you can plug in the calculator. I don't have a calculator with me, so. Alright, we're heading to the last problem, number 3. Rachel can choose plan A or plan B. Plan A or plan B for her long distance charges. So here's the graph. The x-axis represent minutes used per month, and the y-axis represent the cost in dollar. How many minutes will both plans cost the same? How many minutes will both plans cost the same? So like problem 1, you set two equations equal to each other. So in this time, we're going to find out where is two lines cross each other. That is where both lines cost the same. Both planes cost the same. So what you're going to do is find the pattern. Let's say if we look at plane A. So plane A, the line going up this way, look like it's go up 1 over 2. So we repeat that, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, and so on and so forth. And extend the line longer. Plan B, look like you have to go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, so on and so forth. So you will see that two lines cross each other right here at this point. If I keep going, the line will go two separate directions like this. Okay, so our answer will be that is 120 and 12. How many minutes will both plans cost the same? So we have the answer as 120, 12. What does it mean? 120 what and 12 what? 120 is come from the x-axis, and x-axis represent minute. And 12 come from the y value, and is represent the cost. It mean that if you make a phone call, if she make a phone call that is 120 minutes long, she's gonna pay $12. Okay, so at how many minutes? So the answer is at 120 minutes. Okay, that both plans will cost the same price, which is $12. All right, that's it for the quizette. Thanks everyone for watching. Go to Google Classroom and open the next assignment. Please, when you log into GeoGebra, don't forget to log in and save your projects. Do it right away. When you log in, save your assignment right away with a name. Let's say, Transformation Project Part 1, for example. All right, that's it for today, guys. I guess see you tomorrow, and have a good time working on your project.